Hello everyone, my name is Anna Marcelino and I'll be reflecting on the journey I took during my Emerging Technologies course here at Houston Baptist University. So first I'm going to take you to my Journal tab. When you click on the Journal tab, it will bring you to this web page where you can view my self-reflection journal, my website scavenger hunt, and my technology analysis on microlearning. So right away, I want to highlight these two assignments. So the website scavenger hunt was about the WCAG guidelines, and this assignment was very impactful for me because it was something I did not have a lot of prior knowledge on before completing. So I got to learn quite a bit. So I analyzed a couple different websites and I decided if they met the criteria to be accessible. So there were several criteria, whether it was perceivable, operable, understandable, and robust. So I was able to go through all of these guidelines and really analyze these websites. This was something that I really enjoyed doing, and it really opened my mind, and I definitely do not look at websites the same way anymore. Next, we have my technology analysis. So this was another assignment that was really impactful for me. Throughout my learning in the Emerging Technologies course, I learned a lot about micro-credentials and um, badges. So this is something that I truly believe will change the educational landscape, and I think higher education will definitely be adopting this more and more. So this analysis was for adoption of the program Badge Cert in higher education. So I have a timeline, the benefits of Badge Cert, and just the benefits of microlearning in general, the potential cost, and my proposal rating. Next, I'm going to take you over to my creative presentations. So this web page, you can view my infographic, my gamification presentation, and my presentation on microlearning and stackable credentials. So on this page, I really want to highlight my emerging technologies infographic. So I created this infographic on Canva and I highlighted several emerging technologies that I thought would be very useful for specifically classroom educators. So all the technologies that I discussed were affordable and easy to implement into curriculum. So I actually shared this infographic with my colleagues and they found it very useful as they were kind of diving into using more and more technology in their practice.